watching UZ. Gami Fulgueras still lives with his parents in Taytay. But since he works in QC, the condo is his home Mondays to Fridays.
Ang gusto ko nung una, yung simple lang. Pero may nagsuggest sa akin na minsan lang ito mapapagawa ng bahay ko, pagandahin na. Kaya naging concept nito, parang pahingaan lang, parang nasa hotel.
When Gami bought the unit, it was totally bare. Gami is a medical technologist by profession, yet he managed to make his 30 square meter condo very livable.
I regularly watch Urban Zone every Sunday. Nagkakaroon pa rin ako ng ideas kung ano pa yung dapat na improvise or improve para do sa bahay. I selected 3 colors lang, which is the walnut, the beige, and silver. O kung lighter ang colors, mas malaking tingnan.
Natutunan daw ni Gami sa UZ that mirrors can help make a room look bigger.
So, nilagyan ko ito ng mirror para maging to look more spacious for my room. And a 4-seater table, dining table. Ito naman, simple lang yung ilaw. My sister placed ko kaya flowers here para sa feng shui daw kasi masama mag-reflect ang ilaw sa mirror. Dito nakalagay yung plato ko, baso, para hindi siya sagabal sa ibang gamit.
Gami created niches on the wall to give some room for his home decor.
This is they call it the day bed. So para maging, ano siya, maraming makinabang. So, pwede pang gamitin to.
Ginawa naman niyang sliding door ang pintuan ng kanyang bedroom. That's another technique he learned from UZ.
So, this is my bedroom. So, ano nga siya, sliding door. And this one, kasi napansin ko sa kabila, di ba meron akong display doon, parang aquarium. So, yung space dito, parang space for my faith, no, na altar. Ang view ng condo ko is, green, positive yung dating.
Gami considers this condo his first major investment.
Pasado ako sa Urban Zone na sana kung ano man yung concepts, ideas na nalaman ko sa show, ma-impart ko at magbigay din ng inspiration sa mga viewers niyo. So, thank you for this bag and at least I'm now an urbanista.
Urbanistas, if you are willing to give us a peek at your dream space, write to us and take home a special gift from Urban Zone.